Hey guys, I'm Akash and welcome to Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is collect data from Pabbly Form Builder and send an email from Pabbly Email Marketing. Now suppose guys you are using Pabbly Form Builder to generate some forms. For example, a lead form, a support form or a feedback form. Or you want that every time a user fills this form and submits it, you want to send them an email using Pabbly Email Marketing. Now, the manually collecting the details of every form submission from Pabbly Form Builder and sending an email from Pabbly Email Marketing can be a very much time consuming and repetitive task for you. So to avoid this problem, I came up with an awesome automation by which whenever we will receive a new form submission on Pabbly Form Builder, automatically an email will be sent from Pabbly Email Marketing to that very same user who submitted the form. Interesting, right? Now you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now what is the actual step-by-step guide to create this automation and how you can set up this automation by yourself without any coding skills or programming knowledge, without any technical knowledge. So to know this guys, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And as you reach on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So after reaching this dashboard, just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I'll name this workflow as Pabbly Form Builder to Pabbly Email Marketing and click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we can see two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is first we will connect Pabbly Form Builder with Pabbly Connect and get the form submission data, the response of the form submission on our Pabbly Form Builder account inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, we will send that very same data to Pabbly Email Marketing to send the email to the user who has submitted the form using Pabbly Email Marketing. So in trigger window in choose app, search for Pabbly Form Builder. Pabbly Form Builder it is. And then in trigger event, select new form submission. After selecting our trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we will connect Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Connect. So just copy this webhook URL from here, go to the Pabbly Form Builder account, and after reaching the dashboard, you have to select the form from which you are getting the responses of form submission data. So Shopee Shop, this was the form, and so I have shared this very same form with my customers, and whenever a customer fills this form and submits it, I want to send an email to them. So this is the form Shopee Shop which I have created. So just select the form and click on these three buttons and click on edit. Now after reaching to the edit page of your form, on the left side we can see an option named as integrations. Click on integrations. And after clicking on integration, you can see there's an option over here webhook, and just click on this create webhook button and paste the very same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. So we will paste it and click on save. So now guys, using a webhook URL, we have successfully connected the form in our Pabbly Form Builder account with Pabbly Connect. Now every time a user will fill this form and submits it, the response of this form submission will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Now we have to do this very same thing. So this was our form. Let me click on share options. The form which we have created, just copy the link and paste this link in new tab. So the form will be opened in new tab. Now we will enter the details of a user in this form, and we will see that the very same user, the details of this very same user, very same form submission will be automatically captured inside Pabbly Connect. So we just have to get back to Pabbly Connect and click on this recapture webhook response button. Now it is showing us waiting for webhook response, which means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some data, some response from Pabbly Form Builder. So we'll go to a form and enter the details of a user over here. So let's enter the name of the user, for example, Michael Karas. Just a second. Michael Karas is the name of the user. Let me enter the email address. So this is the email address and a phone number. So in this form which I have created and shared with my customers or users, I have entered the details of a dummy user, whose name is Michael Karas. This is the email address and this is the phone number. So on form submission, we will capture the response of this very same user details, very same username on email address and phone number inside Pabbly Connect. And after setting up this automation, whenever a user will fill this form and submit the detail, automatically an email will be sent to this very same email address filled by user. So let's just click on submit and the form is submitted. Now we will go back to Pabbly Connect and check that whether we have received the response of this form submission or not. Let's get back to Pabbly Connect. And yes guys, we can see that in the response received in our trigger window, we have received the response of that very same form submission. Same name Michael Karas, same email address and same phone number. So guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is now successfully completed. Then we will scroll down and come to our action window for our step 2. Now we have to send this very same data, very same response which we have received from Pabbly Form Builder to Pabbly Email Marketing so that we can send emails to these users on this email address. For that, we'll come to our action window and here in Choose App, we will search for Pabbly Email Marketing. Pabbly Email Marketing it is. Then here in Action Event, we will select Send Individual Email. So this is the last email. So this is the last action event. So we'll select Send Individual Emails. Then click on Connect. Select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Pabbly email marketing account with Pabbly Connect. And to make the connection, we need a token from our Pabbly email marketing account. So you can refer to the help text given over here to get the token. Let me show you what is the actual process to get the token from your Pabbly email marketing account. So for that, just go to the dashboard of your Pabbly email marketing account and on the left side, just click on this integrations button. Then just select Developer API. And here you can find the token for your Pabbly email marketing account. Just copy this token, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And click on Save. Now after clicking on Save, we can see that our Pabbly email marketing account is now successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. And here you can see an option named as template. Now you must be thinking, what are these templates? So basically in my Pabbly email marketing account, I have already created a template email which I want to send them. So we will go back to my Pabbly email marketing account, go to dashboard. And here you can see all the emails which I have created. So it is Pabbly Connect is asking me out of all this template, which template I want to use to send email. So this is the template guys, Shopee Shop get 50% off. This is the name of the template email which I want to send to every person who makes a form submission in my Pabbly Form Builder account. So we will select this template, Shopee Shop get 50% off. So get back to Pabbly Connect and from the drop down below where we can see all the templates which we have created, select our desired template. Now after that, it is asking us to select the delivery server. In the drop down below, you can see all the delivery servers which you have created or connected with your Pabbly email marketing account can be seen over here. Let me show you. Let's get back to Pabbly email marketing account and go to delivery server section. So here you can see I have 2 active servers and the name of those same 2 active servers can be seen inside Pabbly Connect in the drop down. So you just have to select your own delivery server. So this is the server through which I want to send email. Then it is asking me from name. So it is asking us basically by what name the emails will be sent. So for example, I'll enter the name as Pabbly. I want to send the email by the name of Pabbly. And it is also asking me from email. And the help text below it says from email. For the email campaign, it should be associated with the delivery server that you choose for sending email. So guys, we have to enter the email address which is connected or associated with our delivery server which we have selected. So let me enter the email address from which we will be sending emails. And it is done. After that, it is asking us individual email. Now at this place, we have to enter the email address of the person who submitted the form. So in form responses from Pabbly Form Builder, we have also received the email address which the user has submitted. Here is the email address. And on this very same email address, we want to send emails using Pabbly Email Marketing. So basically we have to map this very same email address in this individual emails field. And the process of mapping, guys, is very simple. Just click on this field and in the drop down below, you can see all the responses which you have received from Pabbly Form Builder. And out of all these responses, select the response for email. So after entering all these details, just simply click on Save and Send Test Request. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it is showing us a response as mail sent. So this is a positive response which shows us that an email is successfully sent on this email address with our selected template. So guys, let's check the email inbox of this email address. Let me switch to the new tab and change my Google account. So this is the same account on which we sent an email. Go to Gmail. And yes guys, we can see that just now this very same person has received an email. We will open this email and this is the very same template email which we have created inside our Pabbly email marketing account. And here in from email, we can see the very same email address which was associated with our delivery server in which we have connected in Pabbly email marketing, and very same name which we have entered in Pabbly. So we wanted to send the email by the name of Pabbly, so we have received the email by the name of Pabbly. So guys, we saw that the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now let's just test this automation in real time once. So we will be sending an email on this very same email address once again. Let me copy this. Let's make a form submission now. Copy the form link. Okay, we have a form open here. Let me enter the name. So for example, the name is this time is Kunal Singh. This is the email address, very same email address guys, which we have entered. Let me copy it and paste it over here and enter a mobile number. Click on submit. Now, as and when a user will enter their details with email address and submits the form, automatically this automation will run and an email will be automatically sent to that very same person. So within few seconds, we will see that an email will be received on this very same person once again. So let's wait for a few seconds. And yes guys, we can see that just now we have received another email over here, and this is the very same email this is the very same email whose template we have created inside Pabbly email marketing. Now we have another account open over here. This is Devin Barker's account. Let's just select this account. And then we will send an email on this account and check that is this automation working in real time or not. So let's copy the email address, go to our form, and let me enter the details of this person. Parker Devin. This is the email and this is the mobile number, a dummy mobile number. Click on submit. And as the user submits the form, as we have created this automation, after creating this automation, automatically an email will be received over here. So let's just refresh it. Let me clear this first. And yes guys, you can see that an email is successfully received over here and very same email template which we have selected. So guys, we tested this automation twice in a real-time situation that this automation is working perfectly fine. So let's just get back to Pabbly Connect and understand in brief that what are the steps that we have followed while creating this automation. So at first, we have selected in our trigger window Pabbly Form Builder, and using a webhook URL, we have connected our Pabbly Form Builder form with Pabbly Connect so that we can get the response of form submission inside Pabbly Connect. After that, we have sent that very same response, very same data to Pabbly Email Marketing. So after the completion of this automation, whenever a user submits the form in Pabbly Form Builder, an email is automatically sent from Pabbly Email Marketing account of ours. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. You can find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.